since eye catches everything. So very helpful itong seminar na to since I'm a newbie. I'm just starting pa lang sa practice. So mobile photography will help me with a lot of cases, especially in a set.
Parang modernize na lalo yung dental photography kasi hindi naman lahat ng dentists techie na kaya gumamit ng SLR, mga mirrorless. So lahat naman ng dentist ngayon merong phone. So mayu-utilize nila yung phone para ma-improve yung practice nila. Yung mga ads nila sa Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, mai-improve nila lahat yon. Magagamit talaga nila sa practice yung matututunan nila dito sa course na to.
We were giants. We were free.
So what I learned about this course, yung dental mobile photography, is paano siya timplahin. Paano timplahin to get a good picture of what we created. So, medyo hirap kasi ako in terms of taking pictures of my cases. So, yun. Para ma-post ng maganda and ma-market siya ng maganda.
Smell of the evening air. We were giants.
I recommend Dental Recipe. Aside sa masarap yung pagkain, very chill yung lecture and masaya yung discussions.
Maganda dito sa Dental Recipe, hindi katulad ng ibang course na tuloy-tuloy. Dito, sa convenient na time mo, kung halimbawa, busy ka na itong time na to, hindi ka makaka-enroll. Meron pa, mag-open pa sila ng ibang course sa ibang month. So, hindi siya masyadong, kung busy ka, mas ideal tong Dental Recipe kaysa sa ibang course na tuloy-tuloy. Ito, pwedeng naka-breakdown yung course. Enroll mo, mag-enroll ka on your convenient time. Mas maganda siya. Kaya, mare-recommend ko.